Okay, I'm talking about your theme options. It's kind of a general term, so to speak, as it covers a few different things. Okay, so I'm doing my best not to confuse you, but I think some of these things you definitely are going to need to know how to work with. So what we're going to do is find the AIT dashboard, and let's go ahead and go to General Settings. Okay. First, ignore this. Don't worry about this theme box. I don't even know why. I have no idea why they even include that in the first place. But, anyways, here's how you upload your logo. You don't have to worry about that too much. I've taken care of that. Here's your logo. So I've uploaded that. A tagline if you want it. So if I type something in here, it's going to show up by the logo. I would suggest you not worry about it. Next would be on the other side is your phone number and your email address. So if I look over here, I'll see that right here. So you can change that if you need to. Or obviously this phone number is fake, so you want to change that. Your footer, your copyright. So it's this info down at the very bottom, 2013 copyright by Neulife Coach, whatever you want to put in there. Okay. Next is layout. We have the testimonial right here. Obviously, I just have some mumbo jumbo text in there. I mean, fake text doesn't mean anything. That's up to you. Maybe you don't want to show it, so if you don't, you just click the no button. Don't worry about these things down here right now. Those probably you're not gonna need these. We're not using them at this point, so I'm not sure that you will need to. Up here, we can actually order how the content's sitting on the home page. So right now, I just did a quick test before I started this video, but right now I have your testimonials on the bottom. All right. So I want to move them up to the top. Save this thing. And now my testimonials is here, and my boxes are here. So you can actually move that around. The other stuff, don't worry about these other ones too much. Those are the only two you're really going to play with based on how your layout is. All right. Next, we have these two sections you're not going to need. This is basically this is coding for your slider. If you want to change delay time, animation time, I'm probably just going to hurt your head talking about it. I don't think you need to worry about it. Social icons. These obviously are the ones that show up right here. These show up on the page based on if you have entered a link for that icon or not. So for instance, right now I have Facebook for you, I have Twitter for you, and I have your RSS, your latest news, which is this. So if you want to add a new one, let's say LinkedIn, for instance, you would add that. So you would click the add item, you would put in your URL to your LinkedIn section, your link and your title. By your URL, it's going to know what's supposed to go there, so don't worry about that. All right, we don't need this. Next is your appearance. Now right now I'm under appearance. These are your colors and a bunch of stuff, background images and things like that. I really advise you stay away from that. If you need some of this changed or updated, I would contact me or someone else. You can end up causing some problems with your site. However, I do want to point out fonts, because right now your default font is Trebuchet. So you can actually change the font. You can look at this huge list of fonts you have to work with. So you can actually change that main font. Basically your title and your menu font. So your title, like How We Improve Your Life, that's your main font, and you can change that, which is cool. All right, that is it. Most of these other items in here, you just don't need to do. I mean, these for skins and backups and things like that. I really wouldn't worry about that too much.